Good morning. Just looking at bias at the moment. Okay, we just swept out London lows. Tapped into this hourly gap right here. Same thing on NQ, except we extended a little bit lower. We are in bearish market structure. We do have this unfilled 15-minute gap here and here. And before we do anything else, I would like to log in at TradeBait. I think I'm pretty bullish today. We got some low resistance to the upside here, not much to the downside. Like this 5-minute looks pretty nice. You got a nice little liquidity sweep. Nothing crazy on the 1-minute here. No gaps for us really to inverse. It's interesting. We got this little 3-minute gap right here. On NQ. Oh wow, look at this. I wouldn't be surprised if it wanted to go lower here. I mean, these Asia lows. Bring a section liquidity there. But I just would really like to see. Oh, I did not look at this properly. We got a huge bearish SMT divergence, NQ leading. I did not pay attention. Okay, then I would like to see manipulation into this 15-minute, but we're not going to get it. It's going to go down right now. So we're going to be looking for continuation down to such market structure. The 4 hours also bullish though. We got bearish SMT, but the 4 hours bullish. I mean, look at that. I'd almost do this. Just like that. I'm not going to. I'd like to see some better 1-minute confluences. This price action is terrible. Yeah, high time frame bearish SMT, I think, is only valid until these Asian lows. And then the 4 hour is bullish. In which case, I'm bullish after we take Asian lows. But I think we want to take Asian lows first. Yeah. I guess, what did London session do? London session distributed. Price action's pretty bad. I mean, ideally we tap into this 15-minute gap and then spin it around to the downside, but we got no inversions at all. We're gonna have to be extra patient today. But okay, yes, swept out all of this. We got 1 minute bearish SMT, NQ leading. Except for we got no gaps, so I got no entry. There we go, ES tapped into that. Okay, we've tapped into this 1 minute gap. Or the 15-minute gap, sorry. Now, if this 15-minute gap inverses, I might go long up to these highs. This gap closes in 1 minute, so we'll see what happens here. ES is, oh my gosh, ES is so bullish. Oh wow. It's so frustrating. We got no for value gaps. We have this one on ES. Okay. Okay, it looks like we're gonna be pretty bullish here. Yeah. Bro. One to one on the upside here. I don't like that. Wow. Wow, that was quick. That really sucks. Then we gotta go short. See, I don't like this. This is ridiculous. I mean, if we inverse this shit now. But it's just, I mean. No way. I mean, yes, oh my goodness. Yes, it inverse that 15-minute gap. We got that bullish reaction out of the 1 minute gap. 4 hour was bullish. 1 hour, harder for me to read. But we had tapped into this 1 hour gap. But no bueno. And I really want a revenge trade right here, but just don't think I will. Yeah. Oh, there's my mistake. Unfilled 30-minute gap. I mean, if we see this 1 minute gap hold up, I might want to go short, but oh, look at this. I might get the inversion. Man. I'm just fumbling with my phone here. I'm getting in on this. Inversed on ES2. Wow, dude. It's gotten lucky with that. Bro, come on. What are we doing? Thank you. Okay. Let's go over this. 4 hour was bullish. Tapped into this 1 hour gap beforehand. Liquidity sweep, all the good stuff. Inverse the 15-minute gap. I was right to go long. I was correct. But it just didn't work out for us on the first one. And then we're patient. We inversed this second bearish gap. And I'm really happy I didn't allow myself to revenge trade there. I had the right idea. We just got unlucky on the first one with a fair value gap fill. And I don't know. I feel like that was a pretty good day. We fought off a bit of greed, fought off a bit of FOMO. That trade worked out for us really well. Let's just go P&L here. Shoot. Oh well, I don't know what the P&L was, but worked out really well. I think we were at 360 before, and now we're at 896, so that is plus 530 something on the day. Pretty good, pretty solid. The thing I would like to improve throughout the week here is not taking an L before taking a W. That would be sweet. That would be really nice if we could stop getting that initial fuck up. I think I'm just getting a little bit too excited. Like, I see the fair value gap fill. I don't know. I feel like anybody would enter off of that on that first trade, because Look how clean that is. I mean, we came in, we sniped this gap, get a beautiful wick and bullish candle out of it. So, you know, not too pissed, to be honest with you. And we risked about 550 average. The risk reward ratio was a 1-to-1 and a 1 to 1.7, so that's an average of 1.5. Honestly, that's a good day for me. So that's what we're looking at today. Another green day with an L in there. You know, just gotta not be taking these L's, to be honest. To start the day, if we take an L, it just ruins. I mean, it ruins the whole P&L. So, I mean, if we had a 1-to-1 trade that first time, we would have made the same amount. But it's the process that I'm concerned about. I don't want to be taking an L to wake my ass up before taking a winning trade. I want to be able to, not do that. I want to be able to stay patient and wait for the entries and know the entries that I'm looking for when my bias, that are in accordance with my bias. The most consistent trades have been these 1-minute IFVGs to like internal highs. I rarely get clean fair value gap fills that lead to winning trades, but that's just so convincing to me at the same time. Is these, I mean, you can see we got 1-minute SMT right here. So you could have known that was going to go down, but I'm in the middle of a trade. I'm not looking for an SMT. I'm looking for my price to go in the right direction. Either way, I'm kind of yapping right now, but that'll be the goal for the rest of the week. Just being patient and honestly just limiting my entries to IFVGs. But at the same time, when you see a fair value gap fill that clean, it's hard to say no. So I think the best way to go about it is just to use our discretion. Nonetheless, that was a pretty good trading day. I mean, I verbalized I wanted to revenge trade, but I know not to do that, right? I'm not going to go short just because it got stopped out short, right? There's a fair value gap on ES, but not on NQ, right? That's not enough confluence for me to want to enter. And maybe I should realize that for this long. There's no fair value gap on NQ here, only on ES. And so when I see AS get this clean fair value gap fill, but not NQ, that's not enough confluence for me to enter. So there you go. Just solve the problem, right? I entered on a lopsided entry. These indexes are correlated, so I want to use that correlation to my advantage as much as I can. But anyways, price is freaking ripped up to these highs on both indexes. So my bias was correct. 4 hour was bullish. We got the 1 hour manipulation into a fair value gap and swept out hourly lows. Right, we inversed the 15-minute gap. I was right to be thinking long, and when you know it played out. So adds to the good trading day. Still a green day. Can't complain. Just pissed that I keep taking these freaking losses early to wake me up to actually see a winning trade. But either way, that's a good day. I'm off, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you for sticking around if you have, and God bless you. Have a great day.
Hey.